Hey there, beauties. Today, I'm sharing with you some top skin detox tips for clear glowing skin. First tip, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins from your body, leading to clearer and more radiant skin. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to keep your skin looking its best. Next, incorporate detoxifying foods into your diet. Foods like leafy greens, berries, and avocados are packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from damage and promote a healthy glow. Remember, taking care of your skin is an act of self-love. Treat yourself to a soothing skincare routine, practice mindfulness, and get plenty of rest to allow your skin to rejuvenate and thrive. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to clear, glowing skin that radiates from within. Take care of yourself, you deserve it, sparkling heart. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some no-oil cooking secrets that will not only help you create delicious meals, but also boost your self-esteem. First off, incorporating more vegetables and fruits into your diet can do wonders for your self-esteem. Not only are they nutrient-dense and great for your body, but they can also help improve your complexion, giving you that natural glow that radiates confidence. Next, try experimenting with different herbs and spices to add flavor to your dishes without the need for oil. Not only does this allow you to control the amount of added fat in your meals, but it also helps you discover exciting new flavor combinations that will make you feel like a culinary genius. Remember, cooking without oil doesn't have to be boring or bland. With a little creativity and some fresh ingredients, you can create delicious meals that will leave you feeling satisfied and proud of your culinary skills. So go ahead, give these no-oil cooking secrets a try and watch your self-esteem soar to new heights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing some delicious sugar-free snack ideas that will not only satisfy your cravings but also boost your confidence. First up, we have these refreshing fruit skewers. Simply thread your favorite fruits onto skewers and enjoy a guilt-free treat that is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It's a great way to indulge without the added sugar. Next, we have crunchy veggie sticks paired with a creamy hummus dip. This savory snack is not only delicious but also incredibly satisfying. The combination of fiber-rich vegetables and protein-packed hummus will keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. So there you have it, some simple and healthy sugar-free snack ideas to help you feel confident and fabulous. Remember, taking care of your body with nutritious foods is a great way to boost your self-esteem and overall well-being. Uplifting ending sentence. Treat yourself well and watch your confidence soar. Hey there, beauties. Have you ever struggled with picking the right foundation shade and ended up with a mismatched skin tone? Don't worry, we've all been there. In today's video, I'll be sharing some quick tips on how to boost your confidence after skin tone mistakes. First things first, don't panic. It happens to the best of us. Instead of focusing on the mistake, remember that makeup is all about experimenting and having fun. Embrace the opportunity to learn and improve your makeup skills. Now, let's talk about quick fixes. If your foundation is too light, try warming up your complexion with a bronzer or blush. On the other hand, if your foundation is too dark, mix it with a lighter shade to create a custom blend that matches your skin tone perfectly. Remember, beauty comes from within, and confidence is key. Don't let a skin tone mistake hold you back. Own your look. Rock it with confidence.
Hey there! Have you ever felt like you're constantly doubting yourself and struggling to stay confident? Well, I have a little secret to share with you today. Taking mindful breaks throughout your day can do wonders for boosting your self-image and ultimately lead you to success. When you give yourself the time and space to breathe and reflect, you're able to reset your mindset and approach challenges with a fresh perspective. One key aspect of mindful breaks is being fully present in the moment. Whether it's going for a stroll outside, meditating for a few minutes, or simply taking a few deep breaths, these small actions can make a big impact on your self-image. By practicing self-care and prioritizing your mental well-being, you'll find yourself feeling more confident and capable of tackling whatever comes your way. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed or doubting yourself, remember to take a mindful break and give yourself the space you need to succeed. You've got this.